What are we going to do? We're going to find a cicada? Oh boy. See anything? Seeing the cicadas? Huh? Do you look on the trees for them? Tim, you want a cicada? Got one right here. Alright, now what are you going to do with him? Show me what you go do with him. Wait, stop! Stay right there. Turn around. Turn around. Okay. Now show me what you're going to do with those cicadas you got. Come on, let's go see. What are you going to do with them? Go put them in your cicada jar. Or your cicada container. Let's go see. I did.
Take a picture of that one up here. Look.
That one that's flying away? You got it? Close it up. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. You got a lot of cicadas in there. Look at that.